I see two main challenges when designing for circularity in agricultural plastics. The first is justifying the cost. Whether it is PCR or compostable solutions, many options require an increase in raw material cost. Thankfully, there are often ways to justify an increase on raw material cost by reducing other costs, such as labor and disposal, but it is often hard to move growers past the initial sticker shock of a roll of film that can be 2 or 3 times more expensive than their current film. The second challenge is working through the many different solutions in this space. Unfortunately, there have been some proven bad actors, and microplastics have become a bad word in many households. There are some proven ASTM methods and EU standards that are starting to give confidence to materials that will be successful. But ultimately, it is up to the designer to mitigate risk to the environment and our customers. Whether using sustainable resins or not, down-gauging and simplifying films is the easiest way to reduce our impact on the planet. It reduces the carbon impact and the amount of waste, while also saving money through directly reducing the pounds of material purchased. This is where advances from our suppliers in developing new, sustainable solutions is critical. It could be materials created using sustainable feedstock or materials with improved physical properties. Getting more while using less is critical without sacrificing quality. If there's one thing I've learned while working in this industry is that if you don't pass the field test with the growers, it doesn't matter what other boxes you are checking, your message will be lost. There are a few things that I hope attendees take away from my talk. The first takeaway is that there is hope for the sustainable future in our product line. In the 1950s and 60s, the only building blocks in the polyethylene world were low density and high density. Not a lot to build from in terms of physical properties, with most relying on thick, bulky films to get the job done. But gradually, with the addition of linear low density in the 1970s and continued advancements since then, polyethylene has become a highly useful and optimized family of materials. I feel that we, in the agricultural film industry, are constantly on this edge, with an explosion of renewable and sustainable offerings on the horizon. I see many products and innovations internally in our pipeline and across the industry that can push this forward. The second takeaway is that I hope it sparks an idea or collaboration to push to more sustainable solutions. And lastly, I hope you will learn a bit about Amcor and how we intend to lead the way in this space. The thing I'm most looking forward to in the AMI8 conference is connecting with colleagues and sparking new ideas for this industry. Many of our suppliers attend this event, and I find it a good opportunity to learn about new and improved ideas that can help guide research for my group. In the past, it has also been a good forum for debate and voicing different viewpoints on how to guide and shape this industry. I'm looking forward to working air conditioning because it's going to be warm in Houston,